Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to send video files on Discord PC. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So first of all guys, if I try to upload files from directly Discord, you will see that I'm getting this pop-up which is that my files are so powerful and I'm not able to upload my files. So to solve this problem there is solution. Just open your browser, and once you open your browser, here you just need to type imgur just like this. Then you will find this website. We just need to open it up, and right here you will see the option for new post. So just click on new post, and right here we need to click on choose photo video. So just select the video which you want to upload. This is the one in my case, so I'm just going to double click on the video. Now here is the main thing. If you want to keep the audio, just click on keep the audio. If you want to remove it, just click on the remove, but in my case I'm going to keep my audio, so I'll just click on keep. Now here as you can see the video is uploading, so we have to wait for some time until the video get uploaded. Once your video is uploaded on this platform, you will see that here is the option to copy link. Copy the link and paste it on the Discord. So just we have to paste our link right here and then just hit enter. So you can see the video is now uploaded on Discord, so you can just view it by clicking on the video. So yeah guys, that's it. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.